When we entered our space, we have a deck here, and it literally reminded us of the famous movie from our childhood days. कमरा, कमरे के आगे balcony, balcony के आगे garden, and garden के आगे समंदर, which is the swimming pool for us. So definitely the view of swimming pool does add icing on the cake, and it really makes your day wonderful. It's a beautiful sight to experience in the morning.
Mumbai, a city of dreams, also the financial capital of India. When it comes to banking, everybody knows Mumbai is the place where you want to be.
So on the personal front, my life revolves around my kid. My husband and family. So it was important for us to choose a place which has all the amenities and services close by.
Mumbai is a vertical city, growing fast, traffic har jagah. What best you can get? Location is very, very critical for me. That's what I want, close proximity to my office. At the same time, घर के पास होना भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. During a conversation with one of my friends, we were discussing about the growth trajectory of Wadala in various news articles, and that's how Dosti Eastern Bay came up. I said, "Oh, Wadala, the next BKC, it's all over. So एक बारी देखना तो बनता है." From the moment you enter Dosti Eastern Bay, it's a grand experience. It feels like you have arrived in style. I come from a family of bankers, and to us, trust is everything. Boss, when it comes to my home, the quality of construction is paramount. I was reviewing the drawings, and then I shared it with my uncle in Delhi, who happens to be a well-known architect. He reverted to me around evening and said, "Boss, I have never seen such construction or RCC. From my side, it's a big thumbs up." फिर क्या था? सोचना ही नहीं था. And we already made up our mind.
So even for my son Dev, when he's down for cycling or playing on the podium, I know he's in a safe place.
Dosti Eastern Bay is a landmark, 44 floors. I can see it from the Eastern Freeway and the Atal Setu.
When Priyanka's sister visited us with her family, we were all on the deck posing for selfies. It was such a nice view, and I still remember her saying, "वाह जीजू, क्या बात है, इतनी बड़ी balcony और इतना अच्छा view. बस एक और selfie तो बनती है." Morning till evening, even late at nights, we are in offices. Aircon, it's become such an artificial life. I'm more of an outdoor person, and I love walking at the podium in the lap of the nature. You truly feel it. It gives me that feeling, oh, I can breathe. Frankly speaking, we love hosting people at our place. Nothing better than having a great conversation with people whom we care about.
This place is something else. I'm so proud that my sister is so close to Sobo now.
This place has got such a nice vibe to it. A bit early right now, but in future we will look forward to have a place here at Dosti Eastern Bay.
So Dosti Eastern Bay gives me a larger than life experience. बहुत ही world class है, but at the same time it's very personal.